Welcome back to Mesh Potato. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Today, we're creating a normal from any image in Photoshop, which can be used as a map in texturing softwares. Import an image, right-click on the layer, and convert it into Smart Object. Go to Filter, then 3D to generate normal map. Wait for the panel to open. Change the object setting to cube. You can also change the lighting preset to default lights. Change the normal details. I'll set the detail scale value to 85%. Blur value to 1.2. There you go. Perfect normal map. You can export it as a JPEG and use it in your textures.